Welcome to GNet by GRiDD Technologies, connecting the world of ground transportation. Let's start by understanding the problem facing global ground transportation today. The global chauffeured transportation industry is fragmented. Every system speaks a different language. Integrating these disparate systems takes valuable time, significant cost, and requires complex custom code. Now, let's introduce the solution, GNet. GNet by GRiDD Technologies is the industry's first universal distribution and connectivity platform. It unifies reservations, trip updates, and GPS data across over 55 dispatch and reservation systems worldwide. So how exactly does GNet achieve this seamless integration? Through a single secure API, you can exchange bookings, status updates, and location data with affiliates worldwide. This eliminates the need to maintain dozens of custom integrations, simplifying your operations significantly. Let's explore the profound business impact GNet can have on your operations. GNet standardizes every transaction, ensuring data accuracy across your entire network. This leads to faster onboarding of new partners and real-time visibility into all your trips. Ultimately, GNet drives scalability and operational efficiency for your entire global network. Now let's look at the robust foundation of GNet, its reliability and scalability. Built on Microsoft Azure, GNet delivers 99.99% uptime, ensuring your operations are always running smoothly. It provides enterprise-grade security, real-time synchronization, and scalable performance to meet your demands. GNet already powers over 5,000 operators across more than 65 countries worldwide. In conclusion, GNet is more than just a platform, it's a partnership. Together, GNet and you are building the world's most connected ground transportation network, seamless, scalable, and ready for the future. GNet by GRiDD Technologies. Connect, grow, deliver. Thank you.